Today, I'm on Gravelands Lane and I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this extended 4 double-bedroom detached bungalow. Positioned on a desirable corner plot, this energy-efficient home benefits from partial triple glazing and an air source heat pump. What's more, it's even conveniently located within close proximity to the M5 motorway. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe a valuation on your own property, then please do get in touch.